Hey everyone, and welcome back to this class, Artificial Intelligence, Reinforcement Learning in Python. In this section of the course, we are going to formalize some of the concepts we've already learned about in reinforcement learning. We've learned about the terms agent, environment, action, state, reward, and episode. This section is all about putting all these concepts into a formal framework called Markov decision processes. In this lecture, we are going to describe the game that we are going to use for the rest of the course. In many ways, this is actually a simpler game than tic-tac-toe, but it has some properties that allow us to explore some of the more interesting features of reinforcement learning. In Gridworld, your agent is a robot, and the environment, as you would probably guess, is a grid. The agent is allowed to move in 4 directions, up, down, left, or right. That is its entire set of actions. The grid is usually built in this way. At position 1-1 there is a wall, so the robot can't go there. If it tries to go there, it just bumps into the wall. At position 0-3 and position 1-3 we have 2 terminal states. Position 0-3 is the goal state. You want to end up here because this is where you get your maximum reward. Position 1-3 is a losing state. If you end up here, you lose. I use the term lose loosely because we are more concerned with well-defined concepts like total reward. In any case, at this position you will receive a large negative reward, so you don't want to end up there. One thing you'll notice about Gridworld is that it has a much smaller number of states than tic-tac-toe. The state can be defined as the position of the robot. So there are only 11 states because the grid is of size 12 and the robot can't go to one of the squares. As you've already seen, there are only 4 actions. So this is a pretty small game, 11 states and 4 actions. And from this we will derive the rest of the concepts in this course.